Okay, in 5.4 worked example 11, we need to remember our trig ratios again. So sine of the marked angle opposite over hypotenuse, cos of the marked angle adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan of the marked angle opposite over adjacent. In other words, SOHCAHTOA. Let's look at A. It wants us to write the equation that relates to the two marked sides and the marked angle. So this angle here, B, is the marked angle. Let's work out which side is opposite, which is hypotenuse, and which is adjacent. Hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle, so this is the hypotenuse. Opposite angle B is this side, and adjacent to angle B is the side next door to angle B. So let's look what we've got. For that marked angle B, we've been given a value of the opposite side, and we've been given a value of the hypotenuse. So which of those trig ratios do we need, the opposite and the hypotenuse? And hypotenuse, the answer is sine. So for the first triangle, we would write the sine of angle B. Well, we have the opposite, that is 8, and we have the hypotenuse, that is 12. Doesn't ask us to do anything else. That just asks us to write the equation for that. So that's where we finish it. Next time we'll go on with looking at how we actually work out the value of the angle. Let's look at triangle B. 40 degrees is the marked angle. The side opposite the hypotenuse is called hypotenuse. The side opposite the marked angle is opposite. The side next door to the marked angle is called adjacent. So let's look what we've got. We have got information about the opposite and the adjacent. We have no information about the hypotenuse. So we've got opposite and adjacent. Looking at our ratios, that would be tan. So we write tan. Now we know what the angle is in this case. It's 40. So tan of 40 is equal to opposite. Well, that's called x. And the adjacent is 22. So that's where we leave that one for now. As I say, in future lessons we'll move on to how to actually find the value of B, the angle in this case, and the value of x, the side in that case. But for now, that's all you've been asked to do.